Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove something from continue watching on Disney+. Alright, so, let's begin with the video. Now, in this case, if you're wondering how they actually remove a continue watching show on that specific row, well, this one is actually pretty easy. First thing we need to do is we need to open up the Disney Plus mobile application. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically choose our profile here. So let's go ahead and click on our profile. And from here we want to scroll down a bit until you see the continue watching section. Then in this case, you should be able to see different shows here. So if you want to remove that specific show, go ahead and click on the three-dotted icon there, and click on Remove from Continue Watching. And that's going to remove that specific show. Now also, if you go to my space here, you'll also be able to see the Continue Watching section as well. So if you click on the three-dotted icon again, you should see the Remove from Continue Watching. Clicking on it should remove that. And as you can see, when we go back in here, we are going to see the updated version, which in this case, you continue watching section is now removed since we don't have any shows currently watching. And that's about it. So that's basically how you can remove something from continue watching on Disney+. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.